Yes, I'm Lucol, and I'm your focal person. So, in behalf of our punong barangay, Leilani Di Bacalso, wala man dyan siya, no? So, ako na lang ang mag-opening remarks. So, I would like to say thank you so much for being here for celebrating our first annual anniversary 2024. And also, I would like to say thank you so much ako ang officers. I would like to call here in front Acting President Liza Calamba. Please a round of applause, please. Ayan. And also, Vice President, I think wala atong Vice President, right? So, Secretary Eileen Tapang, so come here in front, please. And also,